Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button. So this video is for those people who bought the cruiser stand, this one, and you want to know how to put the motorcycle up on the stand. So for our Honda Shadow 600, the only way you can put it is right here. So right here, right on this part right here, where the tire and the frame is right here. So you put it right in the middle. So what you want to do is, let me go on the other side and show you. You want to put it, as you can see, there's a frame right here that you got to be caution at. So what you should do is you got to use this frame right here, the main one. So what you want to do is, let me show you when I put it in. So first you need to get this, and first what you have to do is you have to straight the bike kind of upward. So what do? I put a little block on the side stand, so it gives the bike a little balance instead of leaning on one side. And what you need to do is, here's the stand itself, and then you push it down right in the middle where it sits right there. As you can see, sit right there. So you don't want to touch the side, the little side frame on the side, right? So this is the hardest part right here, is you gotta align it. You gotta align the tube so it hit this one only, the main frame only, not hitting this side one right here. So you want it right here, the edge going up right here. Okay, and then let me show you how to do it. Okay, let me put it up here so you can see exactly how I did it. Okay, there it is. So what you want to do is you put this in, right? Put that in, and then you aim it right on that area I was talking about. So what you want is, you want to put your leg on side, holding it so it don't slip, and then you pull this all the way back. There you go. So as you can see, let me show you. You just have to be careful, that's all it is. So let me show you the area. You see this? It's about maybe half, not even half an inch away from this frame right here, the small frame right here. So you don't want to put it on this one. Okay? So it's about that weight. So as you can see, it's going up here, right here. So make sure, okay, make sure you don't touch this bracket right here, okay? Because this bracket is a little lower than the other side frame. So if you jack it up right on this bracket right here, it might bend it, because this bracket is for the muffler in the back. So you don't want that. You want to touch the main frame right here, the main frame. the round one. So just do slow. So make sure you align it correctly. So you got it straight up here, like what I did. And the bike should stand up really good and should be very stable. See that? See? Now everything is connected. You can see. So it's touched the main frame right here of the bike, and the same thing is over here, right? So, and also make sure the lift bar is not touching this, right? If you do it too far ahead, you will crack this thing, right? So you gotta be careful, right? So it's right in the middle, as you can see. So it's right in the middle of the tire. But gotta be careful on that one. And then it's right here, so in the middle of the tire. So make sure that's how you do it. I'm a really small guy, so but you can do it by yourself if you just do it slowly. If you want, you can get another person help, but just let them stand right here and holding the bike straight, so it's easy for you to pull back. Yeah, but make sure that it's going. So make sure is when you insert it in the lift this way, and then you pull it up, okay? Not the other way, not this way and not this way and pull it up. So the bike's supposed to fall back like this. So it's the same concept as a the scooter center stand, okay? Scooter center stand. When you pull it up, they pull the scooter backward, okay? So the same thing, same concept. So this one's up, you put it under there, and you line it, and then you pull it, and it's go up like this, and the bike should pull back. The bike should move this way, backward, okay? If you're trying to do the opposite way, it will not work, and you're gonna have a tough time doing it. So that's just a tip how you put your bike up on the center stand. So I'll put the center stand Amazon link in case if you want to buy one. But right now, after you have it on, it's really stable. As you can see, you can shake like crazy and it won't go anywhere. Pretty stable. And I've been using this for years, so trust me, it worked. Great for oil change and stuff like that, or cleaning the change, because you need to lift the bike up a little bit so you can clean the change. All right. So this is a little bonus, okay? If you want to put your bike back down, so it's easy. Make sure you have your front wheel kind of move on this side. So in case if it's falling over right on the side stand. So let me show you how to do it when you put it down. It's pretty easy. So you take the stick, you put it in, right? And then make sure you hold it. So make sure the bike is going to be on this side. So you hold it on one side, and then you pull it up. So when you pull it up, and then you try and pull this way. So you push this one up, and so you're gonna get down only in this way. See that? And take the bite out. And that's it. Your bike should be. So that's it, and your bike should be down. It's that easy. But make sure when you push it down, when you know the bike is going to be free fall, make sure you you yank it on the side to your left side, to this side. So if the bike fall over on this side, and they have the side stand already to catch it. Okay, and that's it. So remember, I put this wooden block here just to have the bike stable center, so it's easy for me to put it up on the lip. That's all it is. So that's it. I hope you like the video. I hope you find it helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.